Hello, my name is James Morris. I'm a co-founder alongside my long-suffering friend Chris Ornstein, who have created a marvellous product that is safe to use around you, your family and your pets. Also, this product saves on storage, it's lightweight and it's very easy to use. So let's talk about what you'll receive when you order Mighty101. It will come in a pack like so. Now if you order bigger quantities, you'll get a few more packs. So what do you get in this pack? Well, the first thing that you'll notice on the pack, there's an instruction label and there's a QR code that will take you through to two MSDSs. MSDS is the material safety data sheet. So the two MSDSs is, the first one's in powder, so in the powder form, it's an irritant. That basically means if it gets in your eyes, for instance, it will irritate you. Salt, for example, is an irritant. Seawater is an irritant. But once you mix it, once you tear open the sachet and pour it into the spray bottle, it becomes non-irritant. So there's two safety data sheets, one for when it's mixed correctly and one in the powder form. In this Ziploc bag, you will get 10 sachets, for instance, for the standard pack, with an extra sachet that we're giving away free. You will also receive an instruction leaflet. And on the back of the instruction leaflet, it also gives you, if you want to give one away, you can put your name and you can put your affiliate number in here. And you can even, if you become a member, a VIP member, we can get you a QR code that goes directly to you here. So you get a leaflet. You then get a sticker. Now, what we advise is you wash out the spray bottles that you're not using, and you put this either over the top or take the old sticker off first. So we provide you a spray bottle sticker, and we give you two smaller waterproof stickers. So if you give them away, you can put that on their spray bottle. And on here obviously is a QR code. One last thing, on the website you can download these leaflets in A6 or A4. So I hope you enjoyed our little video on what to expect, and we look forward to hearing from you again.